Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. It's winter and fresh green peas are all over the market. So it's the ideal time for having peas kachori or Bengali style Koraishutir Kochuri, which is ideal for breakfast or evening snacks in this winter season. We Bengalis make this Koraishutir recipe. It's a must-have recipe for the Bengalis during winter. So I'm going to share with you how we Bengali make Koraishutir Kochuri, which is a little bit different from the Matar ki kachoris generally made in other part of India. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now let's jump into the main recipe and make Koraishutir Kochuri or peas kachori. For that, here I have taken 500 grams of peas, which I have shelled. Next goes in 1 inch of ginger roughly chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies roughly chopped. I'm using 3 green chilies here. 2 medium sized onions, that's also quartered, and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic roughly chopped as well. Now I'm going to make a paste out of it. For that I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Don't add too much water, otherwise it will become runny. And we have made the paste. Here, doesn't it look so vibrant? Next I'm going to make the stuffing using that same paste. For that, here in a pan I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil. Let it get nice and hot. Now it's nice and hot, so I'm going to add the peas paste that I have made. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi. Next goes in half teaspoon of sugar and salt as per your taste. That's it. Now mix all the ingredients together and I'm going to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes over medium to low flame, and stir it continuously so that it does not stick to the bottom and get burned. And within 15 to 10 minutes it will evaporate all the water that is present in the mixture and it will become a lump like this. It's dried up and holding its shape together and coming out of the pan, so it's ready. When your peas stuffing is like that, that means it's ready. Let it cool down. Meanwhile, I'm going to make the dough. For that, here I have taken 200 grams of plain flour or maida, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to mix everything together and make a soft dough. So make this breadcrumb like consistency. You're gonna need this breadcrumb like consistency of the flour. It's holding its shape together, that means it's ready. Now I'm going to add water little by little. Don't add all the water together, add little by little as required. I can't tell you how much water you need. You have to see it and add it according to your wish. And it's done. It's going to be a soft dough, otherwise you can't roll it or the stuffing will get out of it while rolling. Now it's done. I'm going to let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes we are back. I'm going to muscle the dough a little bit, then make small balls out of it like this. Take small portions and make balls like this. normal as we make everything, roti or luchi or everything, just like that. Now it's time to put the stuffing. For that I am going to spread the dough like this. Make a small bowl shaped structure. The middle should be thick and the corner should be thin. Next, put a little amount of stuffing. Don't put too much stuffing, otherwise it will come out during rolling process. Now seal its mouth like this. Tear up the excess. Now make a smooth ball like this, and I'm going to roll it. Very gently roll it so that the stuffing doesn't come out. So very light-handedly do it and spread the stuffing. As you can see, the stuffing has been spread all over the kachori. So Bengali style stuffed Koraishutir Kochuri is just like this. So now we are going to fry it. For frying, I am going to take vegetable oil, generous amount of vegetable oil, as much as required for frying, and let it get nice and hot. Not too much too hot, otherwise it will cook on outside and the kachoris will be raw or undercooked inside. So over medium flame I am going to fry the kachoris. And voila, it's done. One side is done. Flip over, cook the other side, and it's done. It will take 1 minute for frying, and it's done. Now remove it, remove the excess oil, and then remove it on a paper towel. I'm going to fry the other one as well. So wasn't it very easy and delicious recipe of peas kachori or Koraishutir Kochuri? I hope everyone loved this recipe of Bengali style Koraishutir Kochuri. Do let me know in the comment section below how you like it or not, and do make this recipe first for your friends and family, and trust me, they are gonna love it, especially your kids. You can give this Koraishutir Kochuri as tiffin to your kids. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share the video as well. Thank you.